Most people fail to master new skills because they mistake repetitive practice for deliberate improvement. Today, you'll learn the science of rapid acquisition, helping you shave years off your learning curve. First, apply the 80 or 20 rule. Identify the 20% of skills that deliver 80% of the results. If you're learning guitar, don't practice scales for weeks. Master the 4 chords that appear in nearly every hit song. Focus intensely on these high-impact areas to see immediate, measurable progress. Second, embrace productive failure. Research shows that struggling with a task strengthens neural pathways more than effortless repetition. Don't avoid mistakes, seek them out. Finally, use spaced repetition to beat the forgetting curve. Instead of cramming for hours, review information in increasing intervals. Why does this work better than intense study sessions? Because your brain thrives on intervals. Master the vital few, embrace the struggle, and space out your reviews to shortcut the learning process. If you're ready to master your next skill, subscribe for more daily growth strategies.